right, we are, as part of the media preview, we're able to film in the first 2 rooms of The Conjuring. So normally you can't film in here, but we're going to film. Are you ready?
No, I'm terrified.
Are you spooked?
I'm ready to get spooked.
All right, we're going to go get spooked. So we're going to film. Let's check it out. We're ready!
The Warrens have been expecting you.
Here we go!
Now, you're entrusted with a rare opportunity to visit the Warren Occult Museum.
I didn't. Okay, we're just gonna turn it off. No. What, you? Right there! Do you see under the bed?
Under the bed?
Quickly, go!
We just got out of The Conjuring. So good. 10 out of 10 again. You have to do this if you come to Cedar Point.
It was awesome. I mean, this was our second time doing it, and honestly, I think it was better than the first.
so
Like, we
good.
knew what was happening, and I was still scared. It was very cool.
So we're going to walk you through everything HalloWeekends to offer. So in addition to the nighttime, there are tons of daytime activities for kids and families, and they even roll that into the evening. My kids love seeing the characters, they love the shows, and they even love the costume contest. We dress up every year for it. But now, let's head to the back of the park for the opening ceremonies.
And what I can do, I ought to do.
We really love that show every year, but if scary stuff is not your jam, you can always catch a ride on Siren's Curse, their brand new tilt coaster, or even Top Thrill 2. We really love how there's a combination of roller coasters, scares, and daytime activities at HalloWeekends. And next up is one of the included attractions, Cutthroat Cove. This is an outdoor scare zone, so let's go check it out.
Oh, I like your teeth. Very shiny.
Very fish-like.
White. Ah! Very fishy.
I love that.
Oh.
Some
What's his
barbecue
name?
rat. His name is Ben.
Yeah.
Oh, Big
Love
Ben.
that.
Accept the food plan on this guy.
Oh boy, I love the food
What's
plan.
the side of fries or salad?
Eat whatever you like.
I don't know. I found it.
Map?
It's the map.
Oh, yes.
I found
Show
it.
you where the treasure is.
I hope so. I've been following it all night.
Go find the booty there.
Ay. Oh.
That's a minion of a sunken.
Oh.
So checking back in on the kids for some of the daytime activities, they do have Digging Up Bones. This is a great activity. They find little treasures in the sand. They do get a little sandy, so just a heads up. But they also have a great kids haunted house. So this is only for those kids 12 and under. There's no scares. It's so much fun. But if your kids are looking for a little bit more, let's go check out a haunted house.
All right, so back here by Steve, we have Bloodbath. This is a haunted house. You do need the haunted attraction pass or the haunted express pass for this. So big shout out, thanks to Cedar Point. We do have the express, so we are gonna jump this line. We'll head in, no filming in the mazes, so we'll head into Club Orpheus or Bloodbath. All right, so we just did Bloodbath. This is the only house I didn't do last week. Honestly, it's pretty good. I had pretty good timing on all my scares. Honestly, like 6 out of 10 Kerney, 6, 7, maybe. Like, it was actually pretty good. Bloodbath surprised me. Props to the scare actors in Bloodbath.
One of my kids' favorite things to do during the daytime activities is actually the kids trick-or-treat. So it's fun because they're actually themed after old haunted houses at Cedar Point. But, Valid, once per visit, the kids can go through, they get a little punch card, and they can go get some candy. And next up is the Bone Walk. This is a kid-friendly zone at night, so our kids really love this. Let's check it out. Also, during the media event, we did get a chance to try some of the HalloWeekends specialty themed food, and it was amazing. My favorite was that zombie burger there. You can get that at Coasters, and Crystal really loved the hot dog. You can get that at Frontier Inn. But also, big shout out to the ectoplasm wings there, super good. And a shout out for dessert, the s'mores hand pie on the right there, that cookie thing, super good. And the crispy peanut butter haunt bar on the left, super rich. Definitely be prepared for the sweetness on that one. Also, don't forget the Conjuring drinks. They are specially themed at the Mullins Workshop Bar outside the Conjuring. All right, but let's head to the back of the park to Blood on the Bayou.
All right, we've signed our permission slip. Let's go. Kayaking and more.
Crystal, do this?
No. Whoa. Oh. What's cooking? Hey.
Cooking, I think his name's Carl.
Oh.
He's not done yet, though.
Hey.
Bed bugs.
And raccoons. Bed bugs and raccoons. Ew.
Please, you have to help me, please.
I can't.
Please.
I can't. I just kept walking on accident.
Say, sorry.
Someone stabbed you, man.
Well, yeah.
Ah, what happened? He's got lots of eyes.
So even though the back of the park is scary during HalloWeekends, the front is not. But we love Kitty Kingdom, stays open, the kids can ride rides while the grown-ups do the scares.
Alright, so that'll do it for Media Day today. Had such a blast. Tons of haunted houses, tons of scare zones. Conjuring, super good as always. We're gonna go get our special prize and take it home with us now. Thanks again, big shout out to Cedar Point, Tony Clark for having us out. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this real family vacation. We'll see you next time.